Welcome! In today's video, we'll show you how to deactivate your Roblox account step by step. If you've decided you need a break from Roblox or just want to take a step back for a while, deactivating your account is a good option. It's a simple process that only takes a few minutes. Let's get started. First, launch the Roblox app on your Android device. Once the app is open, you'll want to look for the three dots or the menu icon in the bottom right corner of your screen. This is your main navigation area. Next, tap on the menu icon, and you'll be directed to a list of options. From this list, tap on Settings. The Settings menu is where you'll find all the important features to manage your Roblox account. After you've tapped Settings, scroll down and select Privacy. This section lets you control who can interact with you on Roblox and manage your privacy settings. Now, scroll down to find a section called Account Deactivation and Deletion. Under this heading, you will see an option to tap on Deactivate. This will begin the process of deactivating your Roblox account temporarily. It's important to note that deactivating your account is not the same as deleting it. Deactivating simply takes your account offline for a while deletion removes everything permanently. Finally, once you tap Deactivate, you'll be asked to confirm your action. Confirm that you want to deactivate your account, and you're all set. Your Roblox account will be deactivated, and you can return whenever you're ready. And that's it.